Okay, so we're going to go over null space now. The null space is basically the vector value that you can multiply a matrix or a vector by and have it equal 0. So, the null space of say we have a vector, we want to take the null space 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1. This is the matrix. And we want to find what vector, something, 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 we'll leave that blank for right now, what vector will make this all go to 0 when you multiply it. So, going along this line of thought, what you do to calculate the null space is you take y is equal to 1 over 3, or 1 over 3, sorry. 1, 3 times something plus 2, 4 times something plus 1, 1 times something. So as you can see, I took the columns of each part of this matrix, and now I'm going to multiply it by something in order to make it 0. So in order to actually do this, there's not a really clean algebraic way to solve for the null space. You just kind of have to guess. And what you can see in this one is that if you can multiply this, say, first by 1. You have to kind of, it's an art. That's basically what I'm saying is an art. So with this case, you have 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so you know that 1 plus 1 plus negative 2 will equal 0. All this stuff has to equal 0 over 0 in order to get a null space. And these values vector that goes up here. But okay, so 1, negative 1, and 1. So let's say, sure, let's make this negative 1 to test just this top row here. And then 1. So we have 1 times 1, which is 1, minus 2, which is negative 1, plus 1, which is 0. Okay, so that works. And now let's test this for the bottom one here. So we have 3 minus 4, multiplying those together, plus 1, which is again 0. Okay, so our first test here for the top row was actually right and okay. So that would be our null space. So our null space would be 1, negative 1, 1. But like I said, there's not a very clear algebraic means of calculating this. So in order to get the null space of something, you really just have to be able to see it and kind of look at it and see what you're going to be doing. And that's null space.